Y'all, I was seriously so impressed with Urban Bird. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that I can't eat spicy, so I love it when chicken spots have other flavors. Urban Bird has a barbecue flavor and my personal favorite, the lemon pepper flavor that was so buttery and lemon peppery. It was amazing. Plus the chicken was so juicy and tender. I've been thinking about the spot since I went. They have sandwiches, tenders, chicken and waffles, and loaded fries. Definitely put the spot on your list of places to try. Send it to your friends and save this post for later.